Okay, quick little OOTD perhaps. These shorts are from American Threads. Top is from ASOS, and then I have a black bodysuit on underneath because that's what I was wearing the shorts with, but then I realized it's 64 degrees outside, but it's gonna be hotter later. So, you know, just one step ahead. And then Air Force Ones with Nike socks, per usual. And then my necklaces, as always. I am about to leave. I have this cute little bag in, but the ice in my Hydro Flask is being loud, but that's okay. This bag is just like a classic tote. Stay tuned because they're gonna be on at Honey Girl Vintage soon. If you aren't familiar, that's my vintage shop, so stay tuned. But I'm about to leave and I'll tell you where I'm going when we get in the car.
Thank you.
Alright, so I just got my egg bites. These are the ham and cheddar egg bites, my favorite, and now we are en route to my favorite place ever. I'm going to get my hair done by the one and only, there's some music I guess, by the one and only Emily at the Songbird Society. And I've vlogged about this many times, but today I'm just really excited because I think I want to do something a little bit different. I definitely want to be darker, like more of my natural color, but not just boring like my natural color, just like more brunette than blonde, I would say. So I'm not really worried because I don't know, she just always does good no matter what I get or what I ask for. Like, she just gets my vision. So I'm on my way to Dallas right now to my hair appointment. It is like 9:45. My hair appointment is at 10:30, and my GPS underneath the camera says I'm gonna make it there in time. So yes, I'm gonna eat my egg bites, listen to a podcast, maybe some music, and I will see you when I get to the Songbird Society. I know some of you actually have gone to see her and had her do your hair, so if you're local in the DFW area, I'll have her information down below. I always include it in like these kind of videos, but if you're interested, like, she literally does the best. Like, I've had my hair done by many people and I will literally never go to anyone else. So we're on the way, and if you're interested, I'll have it linked down below for you.
here with the artist herself.
Hello, it's me.
This is Emily from the Songbird Society, the best ever. And she just finished my hair.
We changed her up completely.
I'm a completely different color.
Hello guys, so I just got to work and it's been a couple days since I last vlogged about my hair and going to the salon, and I just wanted to finish this off and kind of just talk to you guys. So I love it. I feel so myself, and I've literally had blonde hair for the last 2.5, 3 years of my life, and I always just like had blonde hair because I had a traumatic experience in high school and I literally looked like Snow White because the lady just messed up my hair so bad. But I knew that if I ever went back brunette, Emily would do it because I trust her so much, and I know regardless, I could literally ask her to dye my head white and it would look good somehow. So she killed it and I'm obsessed. I just feel really confident and just very myself. And I was always kind of insecure about my eyebrows matching my hair, and now I kind of feel like it just makes sense, you know? So here I am, my brunette self. I've been giving myself a double take when I pass a mirror because I'm like, who is that? Who's in my home? But it's me. Let me know what you guys think down below, and if you're new to my channel, definitely thumbs up this video and subscribe for more videos from me. I'm starting another vlog today, so more vlogs coming soon, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!